Hello, a very good morning to everyone. Dear students, today we are going to start our new chapter number 5. It is lines and angle. First we will discuss what is lines and what are angles. About lines we have already discussed in the 6th class here. Again, what is line? What is a line? A line has no end point. If a line has no, if it is a ray, otherwise you can say that a line has a no end point. It means it is never ending. Okay, a line has a never ending, and it is denoted by like this one. Suppose it is, and if we are using arrow, this arrow mean dear, this line we can be increased on both sides. It is not ending. Okay, dear. So it means arrow mean it is not ending, and we denoted by A and B. A, B, and on the A and B we will write this one. It is meaning line. Okay, dear. So it is. So a line has no end point. Okay, dear. Always remember. Now line segment. A line segment. What is a line segment? If a line has two end point, we called it is a line segment. A line segment has two end points. It is denoted by like this one. Always whenever we use these full stop, it means they are ending. Okay, it is here ending, and it is denoted by A, B, and this one. Okay, dear. So it is A, B. So only very simple. A line has no end point. A line segment has two end point. Now one more thing, dear. Ray. What is ray? A ray is a line segment which has only one end point. One end point, okay, on either side. A ray has only one end point on either side, on any side. Okay, dear. It is denoted by like this one. A is end point and B is here no end point because arrow is given, and it is denoted by A, B. One side this one. Okay, dear. So it is notation of ray. So any question, anywhere in exercise, we observe that it is given A, B. Like this one it is given. It means it is a ray. If it is given like this one, A, B, it is line. If it is given like this one, it is line segment. Okay, dear. About lines, we have already discussed now. Now look at what is angles. What is angles? Everyone know it is angle. You will say, sir, it is angle. We know. In 6th class, it is an angle. But what is definition of an angle? An angle is formed when lines or line segment or ray meet to each other. Look at any two line segments you can take. Suppose it is A, it is B, it is C and D. When they are meet each other, look at it is some angle or not? Yes, it is also some angle. It is also angle. It is also angle. So angle is made when line segment or lines or ray are meet each other. Now same as it is a line and it is a ray. It is a ray. So it is two angle, one and one. This one. Okay. Now again we can take two line segment also. It is A, it is B, and it is C. Otherwise you can say that what is a line has two. An angle has two lines and one vertex. It is called vertex. Where two lines are meet, it is called a vertex. Okay, dear. Please note down it. After it, we will discuss some more basic terms. Okay, please note down it. Now, dear, we will discuss different types of angle. We have already discussed in 6th class also, dear. What is acute angle? Everyone know. An angle whose measure is less than 90, it is called acute angle. An angle whose measure is less than 90 degree, 5 degree, 10 degree, 89 degree, all are acute angle. 88, 82, 83, all are acute angle. Now, what is right angle? An angle whose measure is 90 degree angle, always we will call right angle. It is 90 degree. Okay, dear. Next, obtuse angle. What is obtuse angle? An angle whose measures between 90 and 180. Between 90 and 180. Otherwise, you can say that greater than 90 and less than 180 is called obtuse angle. 91, 92, 93, 105, 179, 179.5, 179.999999 up to. It is also obtuse angle, but 180 degree is not a obtuse angle. Next is it is very important. Complementary angles. What are complementary angles? Two angles are said to be complementary if both of the sum is 90 degree. Both of the sum is 90 degree. When sum of the measures of the two angles is 90 degrees called complementary. Example, 30 and 60. 30 plus 60, 90. Yes. So you can say that 30 and 60 are complementary angle. Look at the sum of measures of two angles always you have to. Okay dear. 1 degree and 89. 1 plus 89, 90. It means they are also complementary angle. Okay dear. Any other example? 2 degree plus 88 degree. 3 degree plus 87. 50 degree plus 50 degree and 40 degree. All are complementary angle. Okay dear. And we will say that always. It means complement of 30 is 60 and complement of 60 is 30. Okay dear, please note down it. Now dear, look at complementary angle. So what I told you, 30 is complement to 60 and 1 degree is complement to 89 and 89 complement to 1 degree. So in what case we will say that complement? Whenever two angles are complementary. Two angles are complementary. These are complementary or not? So we will say each angle is said to be complement of other. It means 30 is complement of 60. 60 is complement of 30. 1 degree is complement of 89. 89 is complement of 1 degree. 2 degree is complement of 88 and 88 is complement of 2 degree. Again reverse here. Okay. Next is supplementary. Supplementary angles mean dear, if sum of the two angles is 180 degree. How much? 180. If it is sum is 180, supplementary. Sum is 90, complementary angle. These are complementary. 180 degree, both of sum 180. 90 and 90 also supplementary because 90 plus 90. 90 plus 90, 180. 1 degree and 179 and etc. Same as it is. Whenever two angles are supplementary, any two angles are supplementary, they are supplementary or not? So each angle is said to be supplement of other. Supplement of other. 1 degree supplement of 179. 179 supplement of 1 degree. Okay dear. Please note down them. Now we start our exercise. Complementary and supplementary angles are very important. Okay. Please note down it. Now dear, first question of exercise 5.1. What very simple dear, if you know what is complementary angle, what is supplementary angle. Only one part will be solved by me, okay? Other part you will do yourself. Find the complement of each of the following. Okay dear? Find the complement of each angle. Every time dear, whenever what we want to find, so we will write find a complement. So we will write let complement. We want to find complement of, let complement of 63 degree is how much? It is x degree dear. Okay. Whatever, anything if you don't know, we will take it is x degree. Now we will use formula. What is? You will write we know what? We know sum of two complementary angles. Sum of two complement angles. Kya complement is 90 degree. One is x, one is 63. one is already given, we have to find other one. Okay, dear, and everyone know always we will write in question. Okay, definition of complementary angle because we want to find. So we know sum of two complement angle is 90. So one is x, second is 63, next is 90 degrees. Sum of two complement is 180. Now, dear, we will use of chapter number 4. It is become an equation. X is a variable. We want to find x or not. Now we will not write step, dear. Okay. Now we have already learned. Everyone know 63 is positive. Another side become negative. Very good. It is. So what is x equal to 27 degree? 27 or not? You can check also if you want to check. 27 and second angle 63. Their sum is 90. Yes, it means our answer is right. Okay, dear. So we will write by this method. All first other two parts you will do yourself. Let complement of 20 degree is x. We know sum of two complement is 90. X plus 20 equal to 90. We will find x. Okay, dear. You can verify also. Okay, dear. Please note down this. Now we will do next question. Now, dear, second part. In second question, we have to find the supplement of each angle. Now, in first question we find complementary angle. Now we will find supplement. So what we will write? Find the supplement of this angle. So what we will write? Let supplement of 154 degree is x degree. X is very common here. Okay, dear. Now everyone know what we will write. We know sum of two supplement angle is how much? Is 180 degree, dear. What is first is x plus 154 equal to 180 degree, dear. How much? 180 degree. Everyone know we want to find value of x. So we have to remove 154. 154 here is positive and it is another side become negative. Transposing. Everyone know, I think now. Okay. X equal to how much, dear? 26 degree. Yes. So what is complement of 154? 26 degree. What is complement of 26? 154. Okay, dear. You can verify your answer also. 154 plus 26. 0, 8, 1. It means our answer is right. Okay, dear. Now, please note down it. Now, next question, dear. Now, dear, question number 3. Question number 3, we have to identify which are supplementary and which are complementary. What is supplementary, dear? Sum of two angle is 180. First part, 65 and 105. So we find first sum. Sum of angles 65 plus 100, 180. If sum is 180, so it is supplementary angle. So we will write. Therefore, 65 degree and 115 are supplementary angles. Okay, dear. Same as it is. Sixth part, 80 degree and 10. Sum of angles we find 80 plus 10 how much? 90 degree. And when sum of 90 degree, what we called? Therefore, they are complementary to each other. Okay, dear. Rest of the part or the question number 3 you have to do yourself. Very simple, dear. Only you have to check their sum is 180 or 90. Okay, please note down it. Now, dear, question number 4. Question number 4 and 5 very important, dear. Every year either question number 4 come in exam or 5. Maybe both are come also. Okay, so it is very important, dear. Look at. Find the angle we have to find an angle which is equal to its complement. Yes, complement means sum of two angle is 90. One is 1 degree, one is 89. So we have complement of one is 89 and complement of 89 is 1 degree, and its complement are equal. 1 degree is equal to 89? No, it is not possible. Next, if I write 30 plus 60, complement of 30, 60, complement of 60 is 30. Both are equal? No. But if I take 40 plus 40, they are equal? Yes. Complement of 45? 45. Find the angle which is equal to its complement. But we will not do like this method here. It is wrong. What we will do? What I told you? Whatever we want to find, we will take it let the angle which is equal to its complement is how much? It is let the angle which is equal to its complement, how many? It is x degree. So we will write fast now. We know what is? We know sum of two complementary angle is 180? No, it is 90. And everyone know the complement angle it's equal. It means both are how much? First is x, so second also x. Very simple here. Because complement is equal, so it means first angle is x, second is also x, dear. Okay, dear. Now tell me, x plus x. We don't know, sir. Why? X is equal to 1 into x. 1 into, suppose it is in place of mango. 1 mango, it is 1 mango. Plus 1 mango, how much? 2 mango. But in place of mango, what is x? So we will write x. Very simple. So 1x plus x mean, dear, 1 into x. It means 1x. Okay, dear. That is mean 1x plus 1x, 2x. 2 boy plus 2, 1 boy plus 1 boy, 2 boy. Okay, dear. It is 1x plus 1x, 2x. Now look at. We want to find, dear, x value. Because we want to find value x, so we have to remove 2. 2 is here. Multiply, and multiply, how can we remove? Right? Divide both sides by 2. Otherwise, directly you can write. Everyone know, multiply another side, dear. Divide. Multiply, divide, multiply. Okay, dear? So 2 multiply x divided by 2 equal to 90 divided by 2. How much? 2 cancel 2. So what is x equal to? It is 45. So what is 45? So one is 45, another is also 45. Both are equal. 45 plus 45, 90. So it is our answer, dear. Same as it is question number 5, you will do yourself. In question number 5, find the angle which is equal to supplement. So let the angle which is equal to its supplement is x degree. We know sum of two supplementary angle is 180. X plus x 180. It is become 2x. 2x equal to 180. Divide both sides by 2. 180 divided by 2, 90. So x will come 90 degree in the question number 5. So you have to do yourself. Okay, dear? Please note down it. So we have already finished up to question number 5. Okay? So please, and try to question number 6 also if you can do. Okay? So please note down them. Okay? So thank you everyone. Have a good day, dear.